In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your PayPal Merchant ID. This is the unique identifier many platforms ask for when you connect PayPal for payments, invoicing, or third-party integrations. It's different from your email address or API credentials, and it's typically safe to share with trusted services, though you shouldn't post it publicly. Start by going to PayPal on a desktop browser for the clearest view. Make sure you're on the official paypal.com site and sign into your account if you're not already. Using a desktop helps because the layout is consistent and all the options are easy to see, but if you're on mobile, consider switching to the desktop site in your browser for this step. Once you're signed in and on your account summary, look to the top right for the gear icon, which is the settings menu. Click that, then go over to the account section. Depending on your interface, this may appear as a tab labeled Account, or you might see options like business information within your profile settings. The key is that you're viewing account level details, not just personal preferences. On the account page, locate the area that shows your business details. Here you should see a field labeled Merchant ID or Merchant Account ID. It looks like a long string of letters and numbers. This is the exact ID you'll copy and use when a service asks for your PayPal Merchant ID. If you see multiple identifiers, remember that Merchant ID is not the same as a client ID or secret you'd use for APIs. You want the one explicitly labeled Merchant ID or Merchant Account ID. If you don't immediately see it, scroll down a bit within the account section or look for a business information panel. Some accounts group this information under profile or business settings rather than general settings, but it's always within account details. If your account is personal and you don't see a merchant ID at all, that can be normal. Merchant IDs are typically shown on business accounts. In that case, consider checking your account type or contacting PayPal support for guidance if a partner requires it. Once you've found your merchant ID, copy it carefully and store it in a secure Notes app or your password manager so you can paste it into any integration without hunting for it again. That's it. Go to PayPal, click Settings, and navigate to your account section, then locate the merchant ID and copy it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you connect PayPal with confidence.